So today I'm going to explain you the different formulas of the stoichiometry. So basically, first of all, I want to write the different formulas which is used in this chapter. The first formula is for mole, that is mass upon molar mass. The second formula is mole is equal to volume divided by 24 decimeter cube. And you can write this formula in centimeter cube, like 24,000 centimeter cube, because 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. The third formula is of concentration. Basically, mole is equal to concentration multiplied by volume. You can rearrange all these formula according to the need. For example, if you need to find the concentration, so just rearrange this formula: mole upon volume. As you know that the unit of mole is mole without e. Now there are some another formulas that mole is equal to percentage of element divided by molar mass. These are the formulas basically. Now for example, if the question is to find the mole in 36 gram of H2O, so the mass is given, so you need to use this formula. Mole is equal to mass is 36 gram, and you need another thing, that is molar mass. So how to find out the molar mass? This is H2O. How many hydrogen in it? 2. How many oxygen in it? 1. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, or of oxygen is 16, so it will become 2, it will become 16, altogether it will become 18. That is the molar mass. That is the molar mass. So I write here the molar mass. So I got 2 mole in 36 gram of H2O. Now for example, instead of finding mole, if the question is about find the mass in 2.5 mole of H2SO4, for example, so now you again need to use this formula and rearrange it. How to rearrange? Mole is equal to mass upon molar mass. So the molar mass is in the division, so when it goes to the left side of the equal to, so it will be mole times molar mass is equal to mass. I have 2.5 moles here, you can see, and I have told you how to find out the molar mass. I am finding again the molar mass of H2SO4. How many hydrogen? 2. How many sulfur? 1. How many oxygen? 4. Multiply by 1 the atomic mass of hydrogen, the atomic mass of sulfur, atomic mass of oxygen. 2 times 1 2, this will be 32 and this will be 64. Altogether it is 98. So it should be multiplied with the 98. So you can easily find out the mass of H2SO4 in 2.5. Let me use the calculator. So 2.5 times 98, it is equal to 245, and gram is the unit of it. In the same way, if you need to find the mole in 38 decimeter cube of oxygen gas, now you will use the volume formula, and this is the volume formula. There is another formula of the volume, but for this you need the concentration and mole, both the things, but I just have the volume, so I will use the second formula. Let me write the numbers on it. 1 2 3 and 4. So now I will use like mole is equal to volume divided by 24 decimeter cube. So volume is 38 and it is 24. So 38 divided by 24, it will be equal to 1.58. Unit of mole is mole, MOL only. Now sometimes mole is given like find the volume in 0.8 mole of carbon dioxide. So you have a mole and you need to find volume, just rearrange it. So mole times volume is equal to mole times 24 decimeter cube is equal to volume. So we have 0.8 moles and 24 is for the formula. So when 0.8 multiplied by 24, it will be 19.2. The unit is decimeter cube. But if they ask you to find out the volume in centimeter cube, so just 19.2 multiplied by 1000, so it will become 19200 multiplied by 1000, and now it is converted into centimeter cube as well. Now if the concentration is given, before explaining the concentration formula is mole upon volume. The unit of the concentration is mole upon dm cube. Sometimes the concentration is mass upon volume, so the unit is gram upon decimeter cube. You can identify the concentration with the help of its unit. So if the question is find the mole in 0.01 mole per decimeter cube of 90 centimeter cube NaOH. Now the unit is here mole upon decimeter cube, but the volume here is in the centimeter cube. So you first have to convert the centimeter cube in decimeter cube by dividing it with 1000. Now it is in the centimeter cube, and this is what? This is the volume. And you have the concentration already, that is 0.01. So the formula of the concentration is here, you just need to rearrange it. That is, concentration times volume is equal to mass. Concentration is 0.01 and the volume is 0.09. So when 0.09 times 0.01, it is equal to, sorry, I have to write mole here. So mole is equal to 0.009. Sometimes in calculator it will be represent like 9 exponent minus 3. Both are okay basically. Understand? I think so. So in this video I've explained you how to use the three formula in stoichiometry. That is, mole is equal to mass upon molar mass, mole is equal to volume divided by 24 decimeter cube, how to convert decimeter into centimeter cube, and find the mole with the help of concentration in volume. Thank you.